I try to make videos in one take and I don't want to bore you all to death, but above is the title named GoPro Hero 10 Rumored and Leaks. The same titles, the same photos that everybody else is passing along. I'm not going to clickbait you. I'm going to tell you that I have a GoPro Hero 4. I love this camera to death. It is the best GoPro back then. Minimal issues, hardly any issues at all. Then they came out with the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the same body style of a waterproof case, and the bugs and issues never went away from the Hero 5. And GoPro fixes the bugs and issues by releasing a new camera. Everybody bought a Hero 9, and now everybody's going to buy a Hero 10. Rumors have it that the session is coming back, and it's going to be named the GoPro Hero 10 session. I'm going to spread one more rumor. Look at the size of the screen of the DJI Osmo Action. Imagine them putting a edge-to-edge live view screen on the back of the camera. Oh, you better believe it. I would get one. Definitely indeed. It will be the correct size. Now, I like the DJI Osmo Action way better than the GoPro, but it doesn't have all the features and functions of a GoPro. For half the amount of money, and maybe in the future, GoPro and DJI will tell you, us, all, hey everybody, we're releasing our camera in a couple of months and these are the specs and features and functions. If you're interested, please come to our site and check it out. Then hearing it from YouTubers and bloggers like so, spreading fake news. And you know who on my channel said that to me. Well, that's all I got to say to make this a one video chapter by GoPro Hero 7 Black Pro Mic 3.5mm adapter, talking loud to the video of road. Have a great day and see you on other videos.